All right, so let's bring in criminal defense attorney Anne Bremner to talk more about this. Anne, it's good to have you on. I want to get straight to this about your thoughts on the sentence and obviously the credit for time served. It was something we were anticipating, but I think a lot of people may feel a little shocked by the fact that she's going to be out in less than a week.
Absolutely. It's like a distinction without a difference, because concurrent versus consecutive really amounted to about 6 days. She'll be out on Wednesday. And I think that for everybody not understanding exactly the credit for time served and the good time that she would get and she will get from the court, it's going to happen sooner than we think. A lot of people, including myself, thought it could have happened today with concurrent sentences from the judge, but it didn't really make a difference at the end of the day.
When we talk about Casey's legal problems, they aren't over just yet. The prosecution is trying to force her to repay the expensive costs of the investigation as well as the trial. A woman is also suing her for defamation, and the Texas EquiSearch, those are the people that searched on horseback, they may also sue her for their role in what they did in the extensive search for the missing little child Kaylee. So what kind of battle is Casey going to have when she gets out of jail? And is it going to be one thing after another every time, back in court, back in court?
It's going to be at least the three things you mentioned, Thomas. The Zanny the Nanny case, she will be deposed and she'll be asked about what happened. This could be the first time the world hears, because it'll all be public, about what she says happened. But the second thing on the EquiSearch case, her parents hired them, so they may not have standing to sue Casey Anthony. I mean, anyone can file lawsuits. Somebody sued Ross Perot and he didn't run for president, but it doesn't mean the case has merit or standing. And then when you look at paying the law enforcement costs, that's something that's specific to Florida. Some other states have it. But you know what they're going to have to do? They're going to have to kind of take a percentage in terms of the cases or the counts for which she was convicted, because she wasn't convicted of murder. She wasn't convicted of the whole kit and caboodle, shall we say.
Right.
She was convicted of about, what, 5%, if you could say that, of what she was charged with when you look at the premeditated murder charge that could have resulted in the death penalty.
Anne Bremner, Anne, great to see you today. Thanks.
Great to see you. Thank you.